Oi, gente! Oi, lindonas! Agora, vamos começar a organizar aqui a gente ia falar guarda-roupa. O armário, né? A despensa, ó, a despensa. Vou limpar, a gente vai limpar, eu e a Ávila. Vai limpar e organizar, tá? Não sei se eu vou conseguir organizar nas cestinhas organizadoras, mas vamos ver. Porque eu só tenho poucas, né? Eu tenho 4 cestinhas organizadoras, então o que der pra organizar, a gente vai organizando, tá? Vou compartilhar com vocês, organizando o armário, os armários, né? E a lavanderia também, tá? Os produtos na lavanderia. Espero que vocês gostem de acompanhar. Deixa o like aí, se inscreve aqui no canal e simbora para mais um vídeo.
I can try if you let me. Without lies, I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be. But I'm more afraid to tell you I'm less than you see. And I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me. 'Cause baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you yes, baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try.
Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we got. would sneak into our parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we'd come. When we were younger, oh, when we were younger. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. When we were younger. I let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song. Tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? Whoa, 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 whoa. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. When I'm with you, I am not myself. You bring out the best in me, the side only you can see. And I don't need any other help than you standing by my side, if only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse.
Gente, finalizamos aqui a organização dos armários. Deixa eu mostrar pra vocês como foi que ficou. Ó, essa primeira parte eu coloquei só coisinha assim de suco, leite, bolacha, biscoito, cereal, né? Coisa assim de lanchezinhos. Deixei aqui. E outros coloquei lá na geladeira, né? Tipo, a metade da caixa eu coloquei lá. E a outra metade deixei aqui no armário, que também não cabe tudo lá. Aí aqui embaixo, ó, deixa até um pouquinho escuro, né? Mas eu acho que dá pra vocês verem. Aí aqui embaixo eu deixei óleo e vinagres. Aqui em uma cestinha coloquei os molhos de tomate, milho, granola, sardinha coqueiro. Ali tem creme de leite, leite condensado, o achocolatado. E ali ficou mais coisinhas assim, ó, de arroz, feijão, macarrão. Tá nublado, gente. Começou a nublar aqui pra chover. Então por isso que tá escuro, tá? Também ter pegado a ringue, né? E não peguei pra mostrar pra vocês. Mas é isso. A geladeira também, como vocês já viram, já organizei lá. Mica, a Miqueta, todo mundo aqui guardando as coisas. Agora eu vou guardar produtinhos de limpeza, tá? E os de higiene é sempre, né? Desodorante, essas coisas, sempre lá no guarda-roupa, tá? Vou lá pra lavanderia agora, organizar lá os produtos de limpeza.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. 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 I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
So you kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made it do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not I won't get close to your heartache. If you won't open your door, I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding.
Meninas, finalizei aqui a organização das compras. Ó, essas coisas aqui, ali é a caixa de água sanitária, que eu não mostrei pra vocês no vídeo das compras, esqueci. A gente comprou uma caixa de água sanitária, acho que vem 12 águas sanitárias de 1 litro. Aqui ficaram os produtos de limpeza, porque na prateleira não cabe todos e ainda tem. Ali ficou o bombril, amaciante, e aqui eu dei uma varridinha que as organizou aqui, ó. Aí aqui eu aproveitei e organizei, repus o que estava faltando. E organizei aqui também. Já coloquei os prendedores ali, ó. Estão tudo arrumadinho já. Gente, vou finalizar por aqui o vídeo de hoje, tá? Espero muito que vocês tenham gostado. Acompanhei a organização dos armários, da lavanderia. Foi gravado, tá? Com muito carinho pra vocês, compartilhado aí. Gente, deixa muito like, se inscreve no canal, ativa o sininho das notificações pra não perder nenhum vídeo por aqui. Um beijão, fiquem com Deus e até amanhã, se assim Deus nos permitir. Tchau!
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake